500,000 children in the UK weren't vaccinated against measles over an 8-year period. These figures have come from UNICEF, who say inaccurate and misleading messages on social media are part of the reason vaccination rates are plummeting. Well, Dr. Hilary is with us now. There have been various scare stories, haven't there, about MMR and other vaccinations, and it looks like this is having a real effect.
Yeah, those messages were very irresponsible and have frightened people unnecessarily. Measles is a serious disease. It's on the way back. There have been 4 times as many cases in England recently than compared to last year already. So there are epidemics in New York. State of emergency has been declared there because of measles. Also in Europe, there's plenty of measles. And 500,000 children in this country aren't vaccinated. They're at risk of developing measles, which is potentially a serious infection.
And what about other children that may have been vaccinated? Are they still safe?
As long as they've had double dose of MMR, the 2 doses, they've got full protection. For those people who haven't had the 2 doses, they can catch up by having the 2nd dose or a full dose in the future, as can adults. But for those people who aren't protected, you know, measles is potentially a serious infection with a high temperature up to 104, a streaming nose, red, sore eyes, red blotchy rash, hacking cough, and then 1 in 5 children will get complications such as pneumonia, some will get encephalitis, 2 in 1,000 might die.
God.
This is potentially serious. A lot of people have never seen measles, a lot of doctors have never seen measles since the advent of MMR, but believe you me, children need to be protected. And the messages that people are picking up, which are inaccurate, misinformation and irresponsible information on social media, there should be zero tolerance against that because it's going to harm a lot of people.
Dr. Hilary, thanks very much indeed.
Thanks, Kate.